At the end of the today's discussion, we are going to learn few more remarks related with the angles. Okay. What is its meaning that I will be just explaining to you. Look here. So far, you are aware of what is sine of minus theta, cos of minus theta. Sine of pi by 2 minus theta, cos of pi by 2 minus theta. This you have learned in class 10th. It is called as complementary formulas. Now by replacing theta to minus theta, we have generalized this. Now in today's discussion, I will be helping you to get what is the formula for pi minus theta, what is the answer for 3 pi by 2 minus theta, what is the formula for 2 pi minus theta. Once these three remarks are known to you, you can generate from here to here by changing theta to minus theta. Here also it will be theta to minus theta. Here also it will be theta to minus theta. In this way, I am just explaining how to get this first two rows. Once this table is ready, then you can complete the rest. Okay. So this is today's assignment. For getting that remark, we should use sine of a minus b formula and cos of a minus b formula. Okay. I am just explaining how to get this remark by using these two formulas. Now look at this remark. In this remark, I am asking you to replace a by pi and b by theta. Therefore, it is nothing but sine of pi minus theta will be equal to sine pi, a will be pi, cos theta minus cos of pi sine of theta. Now I can ask you, what are the values of sine pi and cos pi? That is known to you. So we will be replacing and you will get a final answer. This is 0. Over here it is minus of 1 and cos theta. Sin theta. So the final answer for this is nothing but sin theta. Similarly, cos of pi minus theta. It will be cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Now, this is minus 1, over here cos theta, and this will be 0 because of sin pi. So final answer is minus cos theta. Now, look at this. This is one of the remarks. Sin pi will be equal to sin theta, and cos pi minus theta will be equal to minus cos theta. These two remarks I will be putting. Now, what to do? Now theta can be changed to minus theta. The first remark, it is over here sin of pi plus theta, and this is minus sin theta. Similarly here, cos of pi plus theta will be equal to minus of cos theta. So I am just placing this 4 remark in the table. Look, sin pi minus theta, over here sin theta, then cos pi minus theta, over here minus cos theta. Now pi plus theta, it will be minus sin theta, and over here minus cos theta. Similarly, now you can complete these 4 things. What should be the procedure? Always replace a by 3 pi by 2, b by theta. Get the remarks of sin 3 pi by 2 minus theta and cos of 3 pi by 2 minus theta. Okay, then change theta to minus theta, and finally change a to 2 pi and b to theta to get the formulas for sin 2 pi minus theta, cos of 2 pi minus theta. Once you are getting this, thereafter change again theta to minus theta. Just I am waiting, complete this work, and then I am going to show the table. I think by this time your remarks are ready. Just check with the table. Are you getting this kind of the remarks? Look here. This much I have explained. This 4 you have calculated. These are the initial value. By change you are getting this. These are the initial value. Now you should remember these remarks. Okay. Now next task is to complete this whole table. I am just telling you how to complete. This is a common rule which I told you in the first day. If you want tan, sine by cos. So it is nothing but minus tan. If you want cosec, reciprocal of this, it will be minus cosec theta. If you want sec, it is reciprocal of this, it will be nothing but sec theta. You want cot, also I told you cot is cos by sine and tan is sine by cos. Okay. Now cot, this by this, it will be nothing but minus cot theta. So quickly you complete the table. Then I am going to show one more time the same table. Pause the video and check the all quantities with respect with the sign also, signs, whether it is plus is there or whether it is minus is there. So and complete the table. Question arises, what for this table is useful? Now I am going to draw a line here. This is 0. Over here 90. Do you know what you are knowing? It is 30 is known to you, 45 is known to you, 60 is known to you. In earlier discussion I told you 180 also. In one of the discussion it will be 270 and over here it is 360. Okay, this is known to you. Now how to make use of this remark and fill up these places here? It is possible to answer these three angles. It is again possible to get this triangle. It is possible to get these three angles. More over here also, right side also you can get the three angles. I am just extending this. It is 3 more angles is possible. Now you may be asking what are those number lines here? This one. This is nothing but this 30 is added with this one. What you will get? It is 120. So this is nothing but 120. This 60 is added with the 90. 90 is the benchmark. With this we are talking about. Here 180 will be the benchmark. Now this 90 is added with 45. You will get 135. So this line segment is 135. 60 is added over here. It is nothing but 150. Similarly, can you talk about what are these number lines? This is nothing but addition of 30, 45, 60. 30, 45, 60. Here also 30, 45, 60. Here also 30, 45 and 60. So what is the baseline? 180. Over here the baseline is 270. Over here the baseline is 360. You can get 3 angles in between. You can get 3 angle within. Just quickly complete the number line. So after 180 you will get 210, 225, 240. After 270, 300, 315, 330. After 360, 390, 405 and 420. So this many angles you can get. This many. Suppose I am asking you any question. Now these are the known one. The dark line is nothing but known one. Dark line is nothing but known one. So whatever you can see on your screen, the known things I am just going to make a circle. 0 is known to you, 30 is known to you, 45 is known to you, 60 is known to you, 90 is known to you. Then here it is 180 is known to you. This is 270 is known to you. Then this is 360 is known to you. Now rest all angles you can obtain by using these formulas. So there are many questions can be there. How many questions you can think about? You can talk about trigonometric function and tell me over here any uncircled angle. Now how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there are 6 trigonometric function and 12. There are 72 questions are there. Now I am not going to explain all 72 questions. I am just asking you now few one. Okay. For example, now this table I will be showing as and when required. Suppose I am just speaking from this one. I want sec of 150. Listen this point carefully. Sec of 150. This can be written as sec of 90. 90 means pi by 2 plus 60. 60 means pi by 3. This is the set. Now make a habit. Suppose somewhere if it is not comfortable with this one, you can write the angle. But make a habit of this also. Sec pi by 2 plus theta. See here. I want to see sec and pi by 2 plus theta. Means I have to come over here. So what is the answer? Its answer is minus cosec theta. What is theta means over here? Cosec pi by 3. Now this minus will be minus. If you are not comfortable with this one, sin pi by 3. Pi by 3 is not compatible, then 60 you can write. So your answer is minus 2 by root 3. Minus 2 by root 3. This is one. So the sec question, I can ask anything over here. 120, 135, I like this answer. Now whenever you are finding this 3, you can get by using 90 plus. Now one can think about tan of 135. Look here, tan of 135. Tan of 135, whenever you wish to answer, you can have two options, 90 plus formula or 180 minus formula. So I'm just applying 180 minus formula. Tan of pi minus 135, I have to go 135 and 180, that difference you let me know. 45 means it will be pi by 4. Now which formula is applicable? Tan pi minus theta. This is pi minus theta, and tan over here it is minus tan theta. So it will be minus of tan of pi by 4, and tan pi by 4 is 45 1, and your answer will be 1 minus 1. Your answer will be minus 1. Similarly, I am just putting up one question from each segment. You can find out that the questions from this segment is sine of 225. Sine of 225. This one. Now it is sec cos of 300. Cos of 300. Coming over here. Cot of 405. Cot of 405. Just get this answer. Chingada murari. एवढा नको दुपारी चांगला काही जेवण खाऊन खेळायचं पाहिजे कौन है